in my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is 6th session of Engineering Curves chapter. In this session, we are going to learn Archimedean spiral curve. Now, what is Archimedean spiral? If a point moves on the straight line with uniform velocity and at the same time, if the line rotates about one of its endpoint in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction with uniform angular velocity, then the locus traced out by the point is Archimedean spiral. Here you can see the Archimedean spiral. Here two motions occurs uniformly. One is linear motion and another is angular motion. Next, let us solve example. A point P move towards another point O 75 mm from it and reach it during one revolution around it in clockwise direction. Its movement toward O is uniform with its movement around it. Draw the curve traced out by the point P. Also draw tangent and normal. First, list out given data. Here, distance between OP is given 75 mm and number of revolution is given 1. First, draw 7.5 cm radius circle from center O. Now, for taking uniform angular position of OP line, divide this circle into equal 8 parts at 45-degree angle. Here, the direction of spiral is given clockwise. So, mark angular position points in clockwise direction as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, which cover 360-degree angle. Now, how to take number of division on this initial position of line? Number of division on line is equal to number of division of circle multiplied by revolution or convolution. Here, number of division of circle we have taken 8. So, put the value of number of division on circle is 8 and number of revolution is given 1. So, divide straight line into equal 8 parts. So, divide this initial position of line into equal 8 parts and mark division points on this line as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 0 for this line I have taken outer side because as per given data P point move towards another point O. So give the number outer to inner direction. Next, find out locus point of Archimedean spiral. First, locate initial locus point P0 at 0 position of linear movement. For remaining locus point, first take radius O1, center O and draw arc on 1 number angular position of line. Next, take radius O2, center O and draw arc up to 2 number angular position of line. Similarly, take radius O3, center O and draw arc up to 3 number angular position of line. Next, take radius O4, center O and draw arc up to 4 number angular position of line. Similarly, draw arc up to 5, 6 and 7 position of angular line. Next, mark locus point P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 and P8. So, as per definition, when 75 mm line complete its one revolution in clockwise direction with uniform angular velocity. At the same time, a point P cover 75 mm distance with its uniform linear velocity. Next, connect all these locus points freehandly in form of curve. Next, draw tangent normal. For tangent normal, we need to find contact of the curve. Contact of the curve is equal to R maximum minus R minimum divided by number of revolution or convolution in form of radian. Here R maximum is given 75 mm and R minimum is given 0. Divide by number of revolution is 1 in form of pi, that is 2 pi. Put the value of pi here 3.14. So contact of the curve is equal to 11.9 mm, that is equal to 12 mm. So next draw 12 mm radius circle from O center. Select S point on the curve anywhere. Connect S and O point. Next draw 90-degree angle line from O point up to contact of the curve circle. Mark here N point. Next connect N S point, which is indicate normal. Next draw tangent line which is passing through S point and perpendicular to normal line. So this is the Archimedean spiral for one revolution. Next, let us solve second example of Archimedean spiral. A point P moves toward another point O 75 mm from 8 and reach it during two revolutions around 8 in clockwise direction. Its movement towards O is uniform with its movement around 8. Draw the curve trace out by the point P. First, list out given data. The distance between OP is given 75 mm and number of revolution is given 2. Now in previous sum, number of revolution is given 1 and here number of revolution is given 2. Here first draw 75 mm radius circle from O center. Next divide this circle into equal 8 parts at 45-degree angle for taking uniform angular position of straight line. Next mark division points of circle in clockwise direction 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now up to 8 point, this is indicate one revolution. For second revolution, same path followed by the end point of straight line. So mark here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 position. Now for taking equal division on straight line, n is equal to number of division on circle multiplied by revolution. Here number of division for circle is taken 8 and number of revolution given 2. So number of division on straight line is equal to 16. So divide this line into equal 16 part and mark here division points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now for finding locus point, we have to apply same drawing steps of previous sum. First take radius O1, center O and draw arc up to one angular position of straight line. Next take radius O2, center O and draw arc up to second angular position of straight line. Similarly, take radius O3, center O and draw arc up to third angular position of straight line. Similarly, find out locus point on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 angular position of straight line. Next, mark locus point as P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12, P13, P14, P15 and P16. Next, connect all these locus points freehandly in form of curve. So here Archimedean spiral cover 2 revolution. Next, let us solve third example. Draw an Archimedean spiral for 2/3 convolution or revolution when maximum and minimum radius being 60 mm and 20 mm respectively. First, list out R1 60 mm which is indicate maximum radius, R2 20 mm which is indicate minimum radius. Number of revolution is given 2/3. To find out angle for 2/3 revolution or convolution, we know that for one convolution angle is 360 degree. So for 2/3 convolution angle is 240 degree. Next, first draw 60 mm radius circle from O center. Draw 20 mm radius concentric circle from O center. Next, locate angle of convolution which is 2/3 or 240 degree. Next, 240 degree angle divide into equal 8 parts in clockwise direction at 30 degree angle. Next, mark angular division points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, divide this R maximum minus R minimum line into equal 8 parts because here we have taken equal 8 angular position and mark here division points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, first locate initial locus point P0 at 0 linear position. For remaining locus point, take radius O1, center O and draw arc on 1 angular position of line. Next, take radius O2, center O and draw arc on 2 angular position of line. Similarly, take radius O3, center O and draw arc on third angular position of line. Similarly, find out locus point on 4, 5, 6, 7 angular position of line. Next, mark P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 and P8 locus point. Connect all these locus point in form of curve freehandly. So, this is the Archimedean spiral for 2/3 convolution. Here, this is the end of this session. See you soon in next coming video lecture. Thank you.